Mostly about everything. Itinatala ko lang yung mga sinabi ni Ramil Madriaga sa kanyang sinumpaang salaysay nang umattend siya sa hearing ng Committee on Justice. Hindi pa siya nakukulong na overturn ng kanyang conviction sa kidnapping noong 1997 by the 2003 Supreme Court, so wala pang convicted na tao dito. Hindi rin substantiated yung mga sinabi niya kay VP Sara. This is exploratory hearing na ginawa ng Committee on Justice at hindi isang trial. Now, lumutang ang pangalan ni Ramil Madriaga nang maglabas siya ng affidavit noong Disyembre linking Duterte sa mga POGO operations, Pharmaly scandal at illegal na droga financing her campaign as either president or later on, VP.
On November 29, 2025, I executed an affidavit which was subscribed and sworn to before Attorney Cynthia Viñas Pentonal on the same day. In my affidavit, I narrated my involvement with then President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, PRRD, his daughter Sara Duterte, Sara, other members of their family, and their close associates. More specifically, I provided a personal account of the various works I did for the aforementioned individuals, including campaign and organizing activities, intelligence gathering and sabotage, and transportation of large sums of money under the direct instructions of either PRD or Sara. 3. With my consent, my affidavit was submitted and referred to the Office of the Ombudsman through a letter dated December 15, 2025. In her complaint, BP Sara reiterated that she has no personal or professional relationship with me. In fact, prior to the dissemination of the Madriaga affidavit, BP Sara had no recollection of knowing, meeting, or interacting with me. 6. However, her denial of any affiliation with me is absolutely false. She lied under oath in her perjury complaint against me. Hence, I decided to execute a supplemental affidavit providing further details on the narration I made in my previous affidavit with additional accounts of other orders, tasks, or works given to me by either PRD or Sara or BP Sara.
Pero bakit kaya nag-180? Bakit bigla na lang siyang bumaliko at kinalaban ni Madriaga itong si VP Sara kung matagal siyang kakilala nito and even go so far as to say na naging trusted bagman pa niya? Along with allegedly FPRRD saying na take care of VP Sara.
12. Sometime in 2018, PRRD asked Sara, BP Sara, to go to his home in Taal Street, Bangkal, Davao City to discuss upcoming local elections in Davao City where BP Sara was going to run for re-election as mayor. During this meeting, PRRD introduced me to Sara and told me, Ram, ikaw na bahala kay Inday. Since then, I've frequently met and discussed with BP Sara